Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at something that may or may not surprise you because it's a little bit Swiss Army knife fanboyish, and I may fall in that category. And what this is a set, and apparently it's a made in China set. Oh, here we go, tin made in China. Good to know. Alright, so it's a little tin set, and the tin set comes with a signature to Swiss Army knife and a little bitty, like, keychain fob. And I just thought it was kind of interesting. It's not really anything like earth-shattering, but it's just sort of an interesting little set. I'm fairly partial, when I get it out, to the signature knives, although I personally would prefer the signature light. But the signature has the little sliding pin, and you get a pair of tweezers, and then it comes with the usual classic SD tools. You get the knife blade, and you get the nail file with the screwdriver. Maybe you get the nail file with the screwdriver. You get the nail file with the screwdrivers, and you get the scissors. And in this particular case, you get a little keychain fob. So you can, I don't know, rep for your homies, maybe. If you wanna rep Victorinox, you can do that with the key fob. Anyway, this is what happens when you have a number of saved searches on eBay with the word Victorinox in them. Sometimes things happen and you end up with the key fob. I kind of wonder, I don't know. It looks like the key fob is, I don't know if that's necessarily, that's not really rust. I wonder if that's like a little, can y'all see that? It's like a little bit of green, almost patina in there. I don't know. Kind of interesting though. Anyway, sometimes you run across weird Victorinox things on eBay. It happens. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, or if you have any suggestions for weird Victorinox stuff floating around that I might be interested in, point me to it. Let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I hope y'all have an excellent day.